All right, so I know a lot of you guys have never seen me before, and yes, this is a face cam video. It's pretty weird to make. I'm about to go home. I just finished hitting the gym, and I'm still at work in my office. But I decided that I might as well just upload a video on my channel to give you guys an update on what's going on with my channel. So some of you guys may realize that I changed my channel name from Average Trader to just Average, because I've been thinking lately that I really want to diversify my channel and talk about some more business stuff more than just the stock market stuff, because I don't actively trade. I'm more like involved in search engine optimization, website development, website design, and just general business development stuff in general. Now in the past, I want to say 9 months or so, since January, I started this business as a case study for a company that I was supposed to be working for. Well, the job was supposed to start next year, but then I just started that as a practice, a practice dummy pretty much. And I've managed to grow in that little startup or case study from $0 to six figures. And I'm going to show you some clips here in a little bit. But I took that store from $0 on April 2nd. I mean, not April 2nd, January 2nd, and now is September 11th. And that store has officially crossed $100,000 in revenue. And I want to share some of those strategies on my YouTube channel and how to do that, how to get started for free and everything. I'm not going to like build a course, but the information will be course-like, but it will be for free. It's going to take a little while for me to post this, and it took me like several weeks to actually decided I want to do this, because I see a lot of people post information on YouTube, but it's just bits and pieces. And then if people post longer content, no one's going to sit and watch it, but I'm just still going to post mid-range content anyways. The thing about this store is I'm not going to publicly disclose it because I'm still working on it, and I don't want anyone watching this video to go out there and copy that. All right. First, I apologize for the jump cut. My arm got tired. I'm not used to filming these videos with my phone. And two, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to get me to 2K. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Also, speaking about subscribing, if you're not going to be interested in the content that I'll be posting, which is just not going to be strictly about the stock market, it's going to be business in general, then feel free to unsubscribe. If it's not your content, it's not going to do me any harm or anything. YouTube is by no means any source of my income. So yeah, just hop off if you don't want to see this kind of stuff in the future. But yeah, what I'll be posting is I'm going to be teaching you guys everything that I know as far as it comes to building a small business, or just like making a website from scratch. About something you're passionate about, or just hopping on a trend or everything, how to promote it for free, or how to do long-term promotions. As you will see from what I'm going to show you, the video recording, I'm actually looking at my computer right here, is that when I show you the clips of it, it will look like the sales are declining, but if I do it month by month, you'll be able to see that my average is between $8,000 to $12,000 average in revenue per month. And this one thing I did, my arm's getting tired, this one thing I did back in April, I don't know if I'm just going to go month by month. I'm probably just going to do the whole thing. But in April, I did some marketing strategies where it was implemented, I believe, on April 1st. So between like April and May, the store made like $40,000 in revenue. And yeah, it's been working out pretty good so far. I haven't done any kind of active promotion since then. I have affiliates promoting my business, and then those methods that I used in the beginning are still driving revenue till today, so I haven't done anything active. So if it looks like sales are declining, it's because of the huge incline that happened in April and May. But yeah, I'll roll a clip so you guys can see it right now, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right guys, so here I am on my phone right now. I'm just going to refresh this page, and the reason why I'm showing this on my phone is because a lot of people like to fake their, I guess, whatever they're saying. They like to fake these numbers that you see on Shopify, and this is the revenue. This is not profits. I'm doing about 65 to 70% profit, and the reason I'm showing them with my phone is because you can, whatever, edit the HTML code on your phone to show the results. So like I was talking about, the store did six figures since this year start, and I switched over to Shopify to run this business after testing it out on Weebly and WordPress, and figured that Shopify had the best conversion rate. So I'm just going to go to year to date. I switched over here on the 12th of April, I believe. So let me just go to year to date, select OK, apply, and refresh it. So you can say it says $64,754.26 in revenue that was left over. Now I'm going to switch back to my actual camera and show you what I made in actual sales, and not just after whatever happened, which I'm going to show you how the store made six figures this year so far. All right, so I'm going to show you guys this on my computer screen because I don't want to record it from my computer because the quality of the camera is really bad. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover up some of my data there, because I don't want to publicly disclose this store, because every time someone makes a video about some of these products that they're selling or their store in general, people go out there and copy it blatantly, which I don't want that to happen. So you can see it's still the same thing that I showed you. As I said, this store started, I moved this over to Shopify on April 12th of this year, and as you can see, it still says $64,754. And as you can see, what I want to point out on here is where is it? It's right there. It's touchscreen. I don't want to touch it. So you can see a total of $74,160 went through the store. And what I was explaining to you guys in the other part of the video was that even though it only said $64,000 kept in revenue, was because I have this policy on my store in the beginning where during the beginning of COVID, shipping was slow, and I had this policy that didn't change where I said, hey, if your package doesn't arrive after XYZ amount of time, I will refund a certain percentage of your package, or just like packages not arriving in general, and I just refunded all those people. Now, out of that $9,400 where you see in the refund part, I want to say about like maybe $2,400 worth of that were actually customer requested refunds because their package showed up and, you know, I don't know, maybe UPS or DHL, you know, did some rough handling and broke the equipment or whatever. But that's what that's from. The other 7K of that is just actual refunds that I processed myself due to the policy that I have on my store, which is, you know, the whole return your money, and it's good for customer satisfaction. So let's just switch back to the rest of this video. Actually, I forgot to show you guys the rest of the income, the other 25K to make it to 100K. But out of the 25, I'll only be able to show you guys, I believe, 8 or 10K on Stripe, because on PayPal it actually shows the personal information to people, which I don't want to disclose that publicly. So let's just switch back to the other camera and then I can show you that. Right, so here we are on Stripe, and what I'm covering up right now is my brand name because I don't want to publicly put this out there. And as you can see, there's nothing to really hide on here. This is from January 1st to April 30th. So this is what it generated through Stripe payments in January. So 8,439, and then the other that's revenue, by the way, and then the other 15K is through PayPal, which I don't use PayPal anymore, and I'll go over that maybe in a separate video. But yeah, that's Stripe. So you saw the 75K on Shopify, 8.4K here on Stripe, and then the rest of it is on PayPal. Right, so now that you guys have seen the clips, now is your time to subscribe to see the content in the future. I'm going to try to record like 4 or 5 hours tomorrow. It's probably going to take a while to edit all of that and put it out in sequence, and everything's going to be there for you guys to just follow along. Maybe I'm probably going to have to build a new site to do this demonstration, because I'm definitely not going to be doing it with my actual business right now, because again, people like to see things that are working and copy it. I just want to give you guys a demonstration so you can go out there and build something on your own to become financially stable. And this isn't a stock market related video, but I'm not a financial advisor. And as far as where I've been in the past, I know I've uploaded a bunch of various videos, you know, stock market related videos, which I'm not a financial advisor again. There's a stock trading bot, and then I mentioned taking some courses on Udemy. Well, I'm also doing those Udemy courses right now to learn how to build a stock market bot that I mentioned a few months ago, which I don't know when that's going to be, because that's taking a while, you know, learning code. It's not as simple as it sounds. And I also have business and marketing classes I do in college, plus I work full-time. And I'll be jobless in about 7 months. I'm getting out of the military. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm in the Army, and I'm getting out in 7 months. I'm staying in Germany. So my business that I'm working on right now will be my main source of income. Yeah, so that's all I've been doing. And yeah, I've been working on the business, you know, outsourcing most of my stuff so I can have more free time. Right now, I spend around 10 to 20 hours a week working on this business, and most of that is just like researching. And then my team that I've developed over the past few months or so, they pretty much do everything else for me. Well, I pay them, obviously. But yeah, pretty much just learning new things, and I hope you guys like the new content. I do have a content strategy in mind of what I'm going to post, but if you guys want to learn anything else, just go ahead and drop a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Peace. Oh yeah, and for those of you guys wondering why I'm making this video now, or just in general at all, is because we all have a goal in mind to be financially free. Otherwise, you probably wouldn't be subscribed to this channel, because it's primarily talking about stock market related stuff. And obviously, if you're in the stock market, if you're not long-term, which I don't really talk about long-term stuff on my channel, I mostly talk about swing trading, you're looking to make well, a relatively decent amount of money in a faster period of time. Now, this is going to teach you how to, what I'm going to be, you know, posting videos on will teach you how to do that and make money long term. So I'm not telling anyone to get out of the stock market or anything. It's just like another source of income. So just in case you're not able to make a trade one day, you'll still have time to go work on this business and build it up to make passive income over time, versus just sitting. If you're going to be sitting at your computer all day looking at your goddamn computer and not making any trades, you might as well be working on something else, which is what I ended up doing. It started out at just 2 hours a day for a couple of weeks, and then made the first couple of months, the site made, I think the first month it did $451. The next month it did $587, and then the next month was like 3,000, and then 3,500, and then it's just been going up and up and there, because the more money it makes, the more motivated to work on it. And then yeah, so I believe that you guys will get some use out of this, and it doesn't have to be necessarily what I'm doing right now. This store started out as, well, this brand started out as an affiliate website kind of, and then I realized that I can make way more money if I go source products myself. And then it switched from an affiliate based site to pretty much a drop shipping model. And then the drop shipping thing wasn't really working out too well with COVID and long shipping times and dealing with suppliers. It was a fucking headache. And I moved over from that to getting my own products, my own brand on my own products. And then from that, I went out there and read all my competitors' comments and what people are upset with. And then they were just complaining about a whole bunch of shit. And then I pretty much had virtual meetings with my suppliers and had them fix those problems specifically for my brand that I was selling, and then rebranded, repackaged it, and selling it, so you can maintain a happier customer base, you get more recurring customers, and then you just customer satisfaction equals more sales. They're gonna tell their friend about it and stuff like that. And then I'm still doing that, but I'm also moving to product creation. So I've done this with multiple products now, where I go out there and find all the negative shit that's wrong with it to better it, and then just have the suppliers make a new version of that and just slap my brand on it and my logo, and I promote it, and people love that shit. So that's my goal, and it's not just going to be that. I'm going to teach you guys how to make an affiliate website from scratch, so you can just not worry about like fulfilling orders or talking to anyone. All you have to do is just write content, promote it, and then in a few months or maybe a few weeks, if you're active, you can get sales consistently or recurring sales, and just an extra way to make money online. Well, hopefully you guys find this video somewhat useful, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.